Hi everybody, Paul Burton, Manager of Safety and Training Services with Arenda. I'm here today to have a talk to you about the new work health and safety legislation that's coming into Western Australia on the 1st of January 2012. But what is effective communication? Well, it's a two-way process where you talk to each other about health and safety matters and you listen to the concerns and raise your concerns. It's about seeking and sharing views and information, and it's also about considering what your workers say before you make decisions. It's ensuring that relevant work health and safety information is shared with your workers, and workers must be given a reasonable opportunity to express their views and to raise health or safety issues. The views of workers must be taken into account, and remember, you must advise the workers in a timely manner of any outcome from the consultation. What are some of the barriers to effective communication? Well, some of the barriers to effective communication can include a misreading of body language, tone, and other non-verbal forms of communication. Noisy environments can be a terrible barrier to communication. And, of course, there's the old selective hearing. Remember that language and different levels of meaning will always be a barrier. And managers' hesitation to be candid. If it has to be said, say it. The assumptions, assuming that others see a situation the same as you, can be a barrier. It's important that you get precision and clarity in what you are saying. So what are some of the do's and don'ts of communication? Do take the time to explain even the simplest instructions, and remember to listen patiently if questions follow. This is so much better than the rushed "there you go" method. Save yourself by slowing down despite the simplicity of the task. Remember, we all learn at different paces. Do listen to what is being said to you, and if you're unsure of what someone has said, ask them to repeat it to you. Praise your staff when they have done a good job. That's very important. It doesn't put a steak on a plate, I understand that. But if you praise your staff, they'll start to climb mountains. It is a very, very effective communication tool. And vary your methods of communication, because what works on one person may not work with another. Don't swear in the workplace, no matter how frustrating a particular worker is. Replace such words with using people's names. They will respond to you much more readily this way. Don't call persons names such as idiot, dumb, etc., as these are derogatory terms and they can lead to harassment and discrimination charges being brought upon you. Don't belittle people or make them feel inferior. Don't undermine other managers, supervisors, or the organisation, especially in front of the staff. Don't complain to staff or co-workers. Find positives and promote those.